Hello everybody, just going to be going through chapter 5c 1 to 12 or thereabouts. If x equals 3, x plus 6 will be 3 plus 6 is 9. If x equals 3, what does 4x equal? 4 times 3 equals 12. X plus 6 and 4x, are they equivalent expressions? They're not, but as an example, if I say x equals 3, 3 plus 6 is 9, 4 times 3 is 12, as we saw in the earlier ones. So, no, they are not the same. It'd also not be the same whether you use any other value as well. If a equals 5, a plus 4 equals 9. A equals 5, 2 plus a plus 2, 2 plus 5 plus 2 is also 9. Are they equivalent expressions? Yes, they are the same. Copy and complete. Two expressions that always have the same value are called equivalent expressions. We see the word there, so I'm not going to write it again. True or false? Explain your answer with a sentence. No matter what number you choose for square, the values of square plus 6 and 6 plus square are equal. Yes, and the reason being is that that's just the way addition works. If you do 4 plus 5, it's going to equal the same as 5 plus 4. When numbers have been made bigger like that, it doesn't matter the order. Same goes for multiplication. 4 times 5 is the same as 5 times 4. All right, continuing on. Completing the table, 2a plus 2. If a is 0, 2 times 0 plus 2 is 2. If a is 1, 2 times 1 is 2 plus 2 is 4. That pattern will continue. Now for the bottom one, a plus 1 times 2. So 0 plus 1 is 1 times 2 is 2. 2, 4, 6, 8. And they are equivalent expressions because they're the same in every column, which means both of these two values are the same. So yes, they are the same. For the next one, 5b plus 3, 6b plus 3. So 5 times 0 plus 3 is 3. 5 times 1 is 5 plus 3 is 8. Then I believe that will be 13, 18. 6 times 0 plus 3 is 3. 6 times 1 is 6 plus 3 is 9. That's 15. And that is 21. Are they equivalent expressions? No, because they are different from column to column. This column was the same, so when they're 0, they're the same, but when they're another number, they are not the same. For them to be the same, they need to be the same in every single column, just like they are in that previous question. All right, copy and complete the table. 6 times 1 plus 5. X is 1. 6 times 1 is 6 plus 5 is 11. 6 times 2 is 12 plus 5 is 17. And 23, and 29. 4x plus 2x is 6 plus 5. These are going to be exactly the same. Are they the same? Yes, they are. For each of the following pairs, decide if they are equivalent or not equivalent. K plus 6 and k times 4, no. They will not be equivalent. K times 3 and 2 times k plus another k, that actually is 3 lots of k, which is the same as 3 lots of k. That is equivalent, so we've got to put an E. K plus 2 and 1 plus k plus 1, that's also 2 when you add the like terms together, so that is equivalent. And k plus 10 and k times 10, that is not equivalent. They are different things. Okay, number 9, give an example of an expression that is equal to 4y. 3y plus y. That's 3 of my y's, that's the 4th y, that equals 4y. Write an equivalent expression for the perimeter of this. Could have 2w plus 2l, or the 2 in brackets, something like that. 2 times w, 2 times l. But like I'm saying, 2w plus 2l would also be fine. All right, the expressions a plus b and p plus a and equivalent only contain 2 terms. How many expressions are equivalent to a plus b plus c and contain only 3 terms and use only A plus AB and AB and C and addition. I guess there would be a number of different ways that you could put it in order. Could have A plus B plus C, and then B plus A plus C, and C plus A plus B, and C plus B plus A. And then there's also going to be A plus C plus B. So for 2 with A at the start, 2 with C at the front, and we need 2 with B at the front. B plus C plus A. 3 times 2 times 1 will be the answer, so 6. So it'll be 6 different expressions. And for the last one, prove that no two of these expressions are equivalent. Well, let's just say x equals 5. 4 plus x, so 4 plus 5 is 9. 4 times 5 is 20. 5 take 4 is 1. 5 divided by 4 is 1.25. So, yeah, that's a perfect way to see that it doesn't work. You could have used all sorts of different numbers to show that they didn't work. Could have used 0. 4 plus 0 is 4. 4 times 0 is 0. 0 take 4 is negative 4, and 0 divided by 4. You're not going to be able to do. So, yeah, that's chapter 5C, a little bit of algebra. If you've got any questions, just leave it in the comments below. Thank you so much for your time.